Apprenticeship schemes in Wales can be complex and are not being exploited to their full potential, according to a new report from the National Assembly's Enterprise and Business Committee. The committee concluded that apprenticeships are essential for the recruitment, training, development and retention of a skilled and productive workforce in Wales, particularly in the current economic climate. Yet from video evidence presented to the committee, which captured the views of young people and training providers, the committee also found that there can be significant stigma, myth and gender stereotyping surrounding apprenticeships.
Without further ado, let's take a look at what you guys have told us.
I'm probably one of the only ones from the school to do an apprenticeship in Tata. I mean, the careers advisor didn't mention it once to me. It was only through word of mouth from other people that I went online and I did it myself, sort of thing.
Apprenticeship I applied for recently, I think it was 250 people applied and they were taking on 2 people. Right. So your chances are really slim anyway. You've got to really stand out to have a chance.
I think in Pontypridd it was easy to find one. I mean, I've been to Careers Wales on, I'd say, 7 or 8 occasions in Cardiff, and this was never suggested to me before.
A number of successful apprenticeship programmes were considered by the committee during the course of its inquiry, all with a high demand for places and rewarding experiences for successful applicants. The committee believes the organisers of such schemes should be encouraged to inspire others.
The committee found that apprenticeships are a vital tool for both economic development and providing opportunities for young people. Traditionally in the past, young people maybe haven't always been told about the potential for apprenticeships. They are equally as valid as going into a degree course or going straight into work, but they have a really important role to play in helping us move the Welsh economy on.
The committee was also told that particularly among small to medium-sized businesses, setting up and taking on apprentices could prove complicated and confusing, and that companies were often deterred by lack of time and resources. The Apprenticeships report and more information on the National Assembly for Wales is available on our website. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.